Hey swagsters. So I'm finally on winter break, so please expect a bunch of videos from this ugly girl. I'm gonna have lots of free time, so I'm gonna try to push out a ton of vids because I love making YouTube videos and school is so stressful, but I finally have some time, so I'm gonna try to be posting a lot more, so stay tuned for that crazy stuff. Haha. So today I wanted to do a video where I show you guys how to take a basic or plain looking outfit and spice it up a little and make it look a little bit more trendy or just well put together, make it look like you know what you're doing when maybe in reality you have no idea how to dress yourself, but these tricks will make it look like you know what you're doing. So these are just what I use because I don't know how to dress myself, but I like pretending that I do, so haha. This video was very much inspired by Marla Catherine. I literally love her. She made the same video and I just wanted to do my own take on it because I just thought it was a great video, and I know that I have a few tricks up my sleeve. Ha ha ha. So let's just get into the motherfucking video. You know, like that Cody Co laugh? Like the fake, like, you know what I mean? Ha ha ha. So something that can always make a plain outfit look a million times better is adding a belt or some type of accessory. And recently I've had such an obsession with belts, I can't stop buying them. It's kind of an issue. There's even like some cool wallet chains. I know that's not a belt, but that's just a cool accessory that I think makes outfits look a lot cooler. And I know they make me feel kind of cool when in reality I just think that belts can add so much to an outfit. They're just really adorable and I love wearing them. And there's so many different kinds of belts. You can get a black one, a color fun. I just said color fun. I meant to say colorful one, but I'm stupid, so. So something else that I've seen that is really trendy right now is layering. And basically that's just when you wear a long sleeve shirt underneath a t-shirt, and I've seen a ton of photos of girls with layered shirts on Instagram, and at first I was like, I don't know how to feel about this because that kind of just reminds me of like iCarly in 2009, but I'm kind of a fan now, honestly, not even gonna lie. So yeah, I just think it's really cute to wear some kind of long sleeve underneath the shirt. I think it looks really cute when you wear stripes underneath a t-shirt, or you find one color that's on a t-shirt and make sure to wear a long sleeve that's the same color, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think this is a really good way to just add some flair to your outfit, if you will. Something else that I've noticed that looks really cute is just wearing cool socks. Usually I just wear no-show socks, kind of boring, I know. But there's this girl at my school and she always wears cute little striped socks and it looks so good. And I really don't have any cute socks, but I think it looks so adorable and I want to just go buy a bunch of cool socks because I think that socks actually really stand out in an outfit, especially when you cuff your jeans. Ugh, I think it looks so cute. And I want to go invest in a bunch of cool new socks, So something that isn't necessarily clothes related, but I think it really just ties your whole outfit together and makes it look so adorable is different hair accessories. And this could be scrunchies, which are super popular. I'm sure that most girls watching this have some scrunchies, or they're just some little hair clips. I know that butterfly clips are so cute. Something that I think is so fun is when you match a color that you're wearing to your hair accessories. I think that's adorable. If you're wearing like a blue shirt and there's like a tiny hint of yellow on it, and then you wear yellow hair clips, it kind of just brings that out of your shirt. I don't know if that makes sense. I'll try to like put an example, but I don't know, it kind of gives you like a toddler vibe, but I think it kind of works, honestly. And I just actually really love that aesthetic. I've been wearing hair clips a bunch lately, which is something that I don't usually do because I'm too self-conscious. I feel like I look stupid wearing them, but I think it's just a great way to get your hair out of your face and make your outfit look so much cuter than it was before. I've never really been much of a jewelry fan, but as of late I've been loving wearing necklaces, and I think that necklaces are such a cute way to make you look more put together, and they just look so dainty. And I feel like there's different necklaces for everyone. There's really girly necklaces, and maybe if you're not so girly, I feel like there's more edgy type of necklaces, which is fun. So I've never been much of a purse stan, but I think that wearing a cute bag can make your outfit pop. It'll just tie it all together, and this could be a backpack, a purse, a fanny pack. I guess you can go crazy, I don't know. I've also noticed that those like across the shoulder bags are super popular, so I guess you could wear one of those. So that concludes all of my styling tips. These are just some things that I love doing and I think look kind of cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and comment if you want to, maybe even subscribe. I don't know, that's kind of shocking, I'm sorry. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh my god, that was such an uncomfortable sitting position. Oh my god. Did you hear that? That was some ASMR. I just cracked my back. Good night.